All right, had a tree taken down this week, a couple of trees taken down this week. So I got a little bit of a mess I gotta clean up. And I started yesterday, just trying to get it all done yesterday. So I didn't get to film any of it, but I got a little bit left. It's right up here by the property line. I want to plant some more green giants, and I got just a little bit left. Maybe that one log right here I can put on the sawmill. I got some more sawmill logs from this down there already, but the rest of this all looks like firewood to me. Spread this pile of mulch around, all in here. It'd be nice. Maybe cut the stump down. Try out the big chainsaw on this stump and get it cut a little bit lower. Get the one. These hickory nuts, I'm surprised I'm not getting hit right now. This is the inside, but this is how big they are when they fall. Right here. And then that breaks open. You got the nut inside there. They've been falling out of the tree like crazy. See them all. All right, so right now, what I do, get the tractor going, and I got a log on the tractor. I got to bring that down to where I brought the rest of the logs. I'll take you with me for that. Nice maple. Look at this thing. Nice maple right here. Probably about 20 inches plus in diameter, 10 feet long. Can't wait to get that on the sawmill. But right now we're just gonna bring it down to the pile. these rocks and stumps. Yep, that's what I'm doing. right, here's the maple logs that I got. Some hickory, or maybe, yeah, I got some hickory in there and some ash. Got a little beech. There's one little beech tree that got taken down because it was sick. There's I got this maple. This one I believe is ash. And then hickory. I think this one's ash too. Yep, hickory down here. This one's ash, I believe. Maple, ash, maple, 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 and maple. So I got some nice stuff I can saw up next spring. But before I saw those up, I got this red oak on the mill. I got a couple of red oaks right here on standby, as well as the ash on the ground right here. Some tiny fence post cedars that I'm not going to cut into anything. And then that red oak right there that is getting old but needs to be sawn up. I'm pretty sure I can get some stuff out of there. That longer one on the bottom right there. This one's kind of new. But those back there, I'm sure they're still okay. A couple of poplar up top, they're small. They're probably too far gone for anything. Those are the ones I'll be sawing up this winter. Fall into winter.